In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix camera quality on TikTok. So it's available for Android and the iPhone. So it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do. So the first step, all we need is just to open our TikTok. And after that, all we need is just to change two settings in our profile. So to do this, open it in the right bottom corner. So after that, we need to open our settings. So how to do this? Just click in the right top corner on these three more lines to open this window, and then go to settings and privacy right up here. And after that, we need to scroll down to find the cache and cellular area. And after that, we need to open the data saver right up here and make sure that this option is turned off, because it's very important. So if it's like this in a blue colored, just click on the slide bar to turn it to the left position to turn it off. So after that, we need to change the another option. To change it, we just need to add our video. So click on plus and then choose the necessary video we want to edit. After that, just click on next, and here in the settings of this post we can edit it, and make sure that the second option is turned on. So this is the last, like, allow high quality uploads. So make sure that this is in a green position, not like this. Just turn it on. So after that, we can successfully post our video, and it will be uploaded in the highest quality. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and write your comment. Goodbye.